Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Snorlax from Pokemon. So first let's get started in the center of our page, further up towards the top. We're going to draw a small curved line from left to right for our mouth. On the right hand side, we're going to draw in a small triangle for the right tooth. And then moving over towards the left, we'll replicate that again. Moving further up on the top now, on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a small curved line arching that across for our right eye. And then flipping over towards the left, lining that up at the same height, we'll replicate that. Let's draw in the shape of the head now. So coming in towards the center on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then down just past our mouth. And then starting back on that center line, we're going to continue to curve this around and then down on the right hand side, ending that at roughly the same height. For our ear now, on the right hand side, we're going to draw a curved diagonal line, arching that out. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Starting at that point now, we're going to curve this around and then in towards the side of the head on the top. And now let's close off the bottom of the head now. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same thing, closing off the right side. Now on the top, in the center, we're going to draw in a letter V, curving that around and then up. On the right hand side, we're going to arch this all the way around and then down on the bottom. And now flipping over towards the left hand side, we'll replicate that. Let's draw on the rest of the body now. So on the left hand side, we're going to continue to bring this line all the way out, arching that around and then down. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, curving this around and then in. Let's draw in our feet now. So moving over on a diagonal, we're going to draw a curved line. And then on either side, we're going to curve this line around and then up, creating a small triangle. We'll do the same thing on the left, so moving further in from this line, we're going to draw in a small curved line. And then on either side, we're going to curve this line around and then up, connecting that at a point. We're going to leave a small gap, draw another curved line, and then on the top, bringing that in towards a point, and on the side. And now flipping over towards the left, we'll replicate that again. Let's move down one more time and draw another curved line from top to bottom. On the top, we're going to curve that out and then bringing it back down on the side. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Let's connect all of these together now. So we're going to draw a curved line on the top, bringing that through towards the bottom. And then we'll do the same thing on the left. Now from here, to close off the rest of the foot, we're going to come on the left hand side, arching this all the way around and then bringing that in towards the top. And then we'll do the same thing as we flip over on the left hand side. Now in the middle, as we come further down on our foot, we're going to draw in a small circle in the center. And then we'll do the same thing flipping over on the left hand side. Closing off the bottom of the body now, we're going to draw in a small arch line from left to right. Let's draw in a small pattern on the center now. So on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, starting further down, curving this out, up, and then arching that across, connecting that together. Now from here, let's draw in our arms. So coming further down on the corner here, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And now flipping over towards the left, we'll replicate that again, arching that around and then in. And now lastly, we just have to draw the claws. So we're going to draw 4 small triangles as we come all the way down. And then in the corner, we're just going to draw a diagonal line that comes across. And we're going to flip over to the left and replicate that. So we're going to draw 4 small triangles again, coming down our hand. And then again in the corner, we're just going to draw a small diagonal line that comes in towards the foot. And that is it. That's how you draw Snorlax. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.